Okay, ito yung ating, ang tawag dyan bro?
Ano, banner, pang-photobooth na banner.
Photo booth banner, no? Ayan, si bro, si MC Speaker Edu, ang ano yan.
Ano, samurai. New
So, nandito yung mga chapter, no?
samurai.
Yan, 2026, no? Horsemen, Templar, Legionnaires. Yung Legionnaires 2, wala dyan?
Sino ito po?
Yun, Legionnaires 2, yun, no? Galing. Elite, Raven, Gregorian, Atlantis, Legendary Knights, Centurion, Camelot, Northmen, Queen's Knight, Trident, Wizard, Thunder Knights, Spearmen, Missionaries, Horsemen. Tama ba Horsemen to? Trident.
Unitryon, sir.
Unitryon.
Unitryon, sir.
Blacksmith, Warrior, Black Hawk, Trojans, Samurai, Kingsmen, Titans, Crusader,
Cavaliers.
Cavaliers,
Yun yung ano, horseman.
Hospitaler,
Hospitaler.
Swordsmen, Pampanga chapter ba yan?
Opo.
Night Scout. Ano to? Knights Rider, Valor, Hammer Knights, Tiger Knights, Dragon Knights,
Tony.
Teutonic, Vikings,
Ito dito.
Gladiator. Ito.
Yung kina Josh na po yun.
Fraternal Brotherhood ng ano, Elite, tsaka Raven. Okay, ayos. Good. Tapos yung pinaka-background, yung official logo, yung may crown, no?
Opo, sir.
Okay, good.